everybody, it's Heather from the Nocatee Welcome Center, and I am very excited to be with Mark of Providence Homes by Bill Seller, and he is excited to bring us to Palm Crest at Nocatee. And of course you're going to say, wait, we're back at the Ellaville, but guess what? This Ellaville is a little bit different than the one we saw in Settlers Landing, plus Mark is going to tell you about all the other great floor plans that they have, so thanks for having us, Mark.
Thank you guys for coming out, appreciate you. This is our Ellaville. It's an award-winning floor plan. It's been a keynote or a key floor plan in Nocatee for a handful of years, and we're so happy to present our newest version of the Ellaville. It's a little over 3,000 square foot. It's a 5-bed, 4-bath with an office, actually 4.5 bath. So as we come in, you're welcomed into the gallery area. It's very well appointed with some high-end flooring, and we're kind of going to move to the left a little bit and check out the Jack and Jill area. We've got a couple of bedrooms, a bathroom that connects them.
I see the bunny, Mark.
Got the chocolate bunny. The backs are so cool. The bunny will not melt. So this area is interesting. It gives almost like a separate suite feel. There's an opportunity for en-suite living as far as additional space for maybe mom or dad. It's a collection of 2 bedrooms, a full bath in the middle. It's actually got its own thermostat that runs this wing of the house. So for comfort and efficiency, you've got that extra little bit of engineering.
I'm glad you just mentioned that because you just said its own wing. So can you tell the viewers that, let's say you want to do something different with this Ellaville, what can they do in this space?
Sure, there's an opportunity to do some redesign to create maybe a living space, even potentially like a generational kitchen where you've got a separate little kitchen area, a family space, and a little more of a private entryway. So it does give, again, some flexibility on this plan. We do have other floor plans that also have that capability, for like an in-law suite or, again, a private wing.
And I wanted Mark to mention that just because so many people, and I say this all the time, but it's true, come into the Welcome Center and they say, I do have my mom, my dad living with us, or for example, that adult child that needs to live with them.
Sure.
And this would give them their own suite and feel very private, but yet you're still a part of the home on the first floor.
Right, and it gives this floor plan in particular gives kind of that 3 to 4-way split. And it's a very large one level, but there are separate wings that gives that privacy. So here we're introducing our new version of the home office, and this has been extended out 4 feet. In today's environment with everybody, it seems like everybody working from home, you've got the ability to have a huge, 2-person office, and by day, mom and dad can work. By evening, afternoons, you got a homework station. It's almost like a family tech center. This space is so big, you could do a billiard room, a pool table. It could be one of many things, but we find most customers looking at the large office area as the best use of space.
It's beautiful, and I really love that 4-foot bump out. Really makes a difference. And I love the barn doors. You brought that back.
They're kind of fun. Again, just for some privacy, a little bit of sound. So you got a kind of a decorator touch with double barn doors instead of the glass doors. So that's another custom option you have with Providence.
And Carly, let's head to the right before we head into the main living area.
Yeah, so we talked about different wings or different areas. This is a whole split off of the gallery, and you've got really what could be a guest suite or an additional secondary bedroom. You've got an entryway that comes in from the garage right into what we call a drop zone or a mudroom. We even snuck in a linen closet for more storage just in this little corridor.
And you told me another option for the Ellaville is that in addition to the 2-car garage on this side, you can also choose to build a 3rd garage, a 3rd bay, basically.
Right. So for people, and a lot of folks need more storage, the 2-car garage, which sits right off of this little area, we can extend it 4 feet to make it a 2-car plus. In addition to that, we can also do what we call our 3rd car option, to where you get entirely another garage on the left side of the house.
I say it's for the golf cart because I want to remind people Nocatee is a EV golf cart, electric golf cart community where you can get to all 49 neighborhoods that we have as of today, which is amazing, and all of our businesses and water parks. Okay, this kitchen, I love the 2-tone that you did, the cabinets to the ceiling. It's so just breathtaking, to be honest.
Yeah, I think the colors in here really match kind of a coastal Northeast Florida feel. Very soothing. Again, just a really good use of color and just light and bright.
And then tell us about the appliances that you chose.
So we're showing our executive chef kitchen. Runs the cabinets to the ceiling. You can add some glass inserts, some light. We find on the executive chef kitchen we have one additional option to go to the GE Cafe, which is the highest line of appliances through GE. This is our Advantium. It's both a microwave and convection oven. And this is an oven, so it's 2 ovens plus a microwave just in the 2 units. So super convenient.
So great for entertaining. This is where you're cooking Thanksgiving. So many options. And again, we are a gas community also. Nocatee gas, but Crest at Nocatee gas community. So look at, okay, there's, wow, 6 burners on here. Is there 6?
There's 6.
I mean, that's not normal. I always see 5.
You can do the insert
that is
for
amazing.
the griddle. I mean, it's just a great unit. Definitely a little step up from what you normally see.
A big step up. See, I told you this Ellaville is slightly different.
Sure.
And huge island. I love, look at the, I mean, look how thick that is.
Finishing touches on this island. You've got the farmhouse. It's a new quartz farmhouse sink with the butcher block that slides. So you can chop veggies in one shot. And then you've got a little charging station or a little receptacle. If you have a little small appliance you're running, or
everyone needs to use that.
You got your iPad out for your recipes. How convenient is that?
Absolutely love that. And then Carling, let's actually head into the primary bedroom. And because again, there's way more to see just on this side of the house. I love what you did with the ceiling.
Yeah, the trim detail, definitely again, back to that coastal feel. You got a lot of shiplap, tongue and groove trim up there with the wood beams. Again, the natural light in this house is second to none. There's a ton of tall windows that just brings the outdoor light in.
And when you do buy a home with Providence Homes, one of the things you get to do, of course, is meet with their design team. So everything we're showing in this video is options and ideas.
Right. And we find, you show them, and it just gives that buyer all the additional choices they have. We're not just, we definitely kind of borderline, a little semi-custom. We can create some very unique finishes that you just don't see everywhere.
Exactly, because even let's look at this shower. Amazing, basically super shower, but if you still want a traditional tub, guess what? Providence Homes absolutely can put a tub in for you. I do love, that is the one thing with all of you as great builders is, again, just giving people different ideas. Different ideas. And the Ellaville, if we really went back through the history of all the videos, they all look completely different. That's what's been so great.
Our decorators, our designers, architects are always moving forward. They're always coming up with new, fresh ideas. And I think this is a great example of what they do.
That closet is beautiful. So again, a custom closet, just showing you here is examples of what you can do. It is huge. This is a huge, beautiful closet. But again, and we've done this, and actually I can visualize, Mark, a video we did a few years ago when for the first time, it was Providence Homes that did the laundry room on the other side.
Connection,
and I couldn't get over it.
Yeah.
This laundry room, now Carling's coming at it from, again, that primary bedroom. It is huge, everyone. And when Carling backs out, and actually Carling, if you'll back out this direction to show people how large this laundry room is, because, and keep going, Carling, just a little bit more. I just want to let everybody know, I mean, this is huge. You've got your sink, but there's so many things you can do. I love that you've utilized every inch with the cabinetry. So tons of storage, so it makes you think, hey, is there not a pantry? Guess what, guys? There is a giant walk-in pantry.
Pantries to die for. You've got wood shelves, plenty of space to fill up. And if you do have overflow with this many cabinets in the laundry room, you could even use overflow in the cabinets in your laundry room to store additional goods.
And then look at this great nook. So this, you've got your wine, you've got your beverage cooler over here. But again, you don't have to use it. This could be a coffee station. This could be, heck, a large wine cooler to the top. I mean, it's
custom
endless.
Built-in.
It is endless what you can do in this space. And then as Carling comes out, look at your view going over to your just even dining space in the far corner. And let's head that direction, Carling, just to show the beautiful space. And then we're not going to go outside quite yet, but I just wanted to show if you could peek into the powder room, because this again is something different. In the last Ellaville, y'all did a
We
pocket
did
office.
a little pocket office. So this little niche, it can be one of many things, and this is showing what we call our pool bath or powder bath option. So you have access to the outside. If you guys add the pool, it's perfect access for that. Or you can leave it as a pocket office where you have just a little work-in station. It works out great.
And then as you come out here, you've got your beautiful sitting area where you're watching TV. And then upstairs, as a reminder, and again, go back and look at the Ellaville that we did from Settlers Landing. But you have your beautiful bedroom on the second floor, but it could be another office.
Sure could. I mean, really, again, in today's world, having 2 or 3 offices is not a bad thing.
No.
So again, I think it checks those boxes. Or if you need an additional guest suite, the bonus room is perfect for that.
And you can go to Nocatee.com to see those past videos on the Walkthrough Wednesday channel. Also check out Nocatee.com, go to the neighborhood tab, click on Palm Crest, and then you'll find the 3 builders in Palm Crest. You're gonna click on Providence Homes, and you will see all the other floor plans. Because isn't it true, you brought a new floor plan to
We did.
Palm
We
Crest?
brought the new San Lando. We have a Morrison. Those are going to be very strong plans. Carlene's kind of looking at our solar ready. We've added so many tools. Not only are our plans award winning, but behind the walls, we're pushing the bubble well beyond the building codes. Solar ready is part of our new net zero energy ready homes. So meaning building Energy Star, you now have with the net zero program, we're adding the pre-wire and the pre-conduit for solar panels. So when you add those, your bill can get down to 0. So
see, we've moved past
really
the
pushing the bubble.
chocolate bunny, and there's way more
There's
now.
more to come. So outdoor here, the home sites in Palm Crest are kind of second to none. They're either water to preserve or all preserved. So out of all 100 lots, you have privacy, you have views. Again, very, very quaint neighborhood with just 100 home sites. So what we're showing back here is one of about 1 million different options. An outdoor living space in Florida is paramount. Our customers coming from different parts of the country are really fired up about pools, summer kitchens. We even show our new fire pit display here with some turf. They even have options for little putting greens, chipping areas. So again, if you can imagine it, we do have a partner in Tier 1 pools. We can put together all kinds of custom packages for you guys at Providence. So the outdoor sitting, the fire pit, conversation area. This shows a summer kitchen. Again, we have so much fun out here with our outdoor spaces. And what better place to do that here in Northeast Florida?
Mark, this has been an incredible video. Again, the Ellaville, again, a favorite, but I can't wait for you to build one of their other amazing floor plans. And I want to remind you, with their other floor plans that they offer, they also have that multi-generational living. So don't hesitate to ask Mark and the rest of the great site agents at Providence Homes by Bill Seller. We are in the fabulous Palm Crest at Nocatee. It's going to sell out fast, guys, so you better make that phone call today. Thanks for watching.
Thank you. Come see us.
Bye.
Bye.